Okay, today we're talking about smart thermostats and highlighting some of their key benefits to consider for replacing those traditional wall-hung 7-day programmable thermostats that are likely in some of your commercial buildings. So the days of being hunched over in front of those old push-button thermostats and stepping through all those cumbersome programming screens are over once you understand the robust features that's available in smart thermostats. And finally, be in control of your building's climate, scheduling, and energy management without paying big bucks for an engineered building automation system. So if you're not familiar with this technology, let's quickly review and discuss their key benefits. So what is it? Well, a smart thermostat is still a thermostat, but can be remotely programmed and controlled with an internet-connected device like your cell phone. And that is going to allow you to not only manage the heating, ventilation, air conditioning equipment, but much, much more. So they're affordable. The cost of these devices are comparable to traditional programmable thermostats, and they start around $150. Although most utility providers offer rebates, and you can get them for even less. So you can also purchase locally from wholesale distributors, and they're made to be plug and play. So it's pretty simple installation, and setup can typically be performed by your in-house technicians. Use them to replace current or future programmable thermostats, and multiple manufacturers each offer their own unique benefit. And they're secure. Wireless connection encryption that meets stringent IT department's internet security demands. Now let's go over some of the key benefits you need to know about. Online management. View and control your HVAC equipment remotely and instantly know what is or is not running so your team can perform faster and more thorough preventive maintenance tasks and respond to malfunctions quicker. Centralized scheduling. As you replace the old thermostats to smart thermostats, you'll finally be able to manage all your daily schedules from one platform. And think about all the missed energy savings in the past when your HVAC equipment still ran on a holiday, needlessly running in an otherwise empty building. Alarm notification. Set up temperature parameters and get notified when the space temperature deviates too far from set point. And this provides a great opportunity for your team to get a jump on the issue before the building occupants call in a comfort complaint. Energy management. Stay informed by tracking up-to-date energy usage and dollars spent on operating equipment. And historical data. One of my favorite features, and get real-time historical trend data to show you exactly how your equipment is performing at any moment. All right, some additional information around historical data. By including temperature sensors in your smart thermostat installation, reviewing the trended temperatures provides a wealth of knowledge to determine the operating performance of the HVAC equipment. This is great. And as you may already know, the outside air economizer reduces energy and provides ventilation to your building occupants. However, did you know that too much outside air drives up comfort complaints and is costly to condition? So by incorporating economizer control into your smart thermostat, you'll be able to better manage both by remotely viewing the economizer's actual position and its performance. What's most important about all these features is that the time and money it saves your team to remotely troubleshoot the issue before even traveling out to the site. And smart thermostats can control more than just, say, rooftop units. There is a broad range of applications they can control. And like I mentioned, the actuator motor for free cooling economizer is a good one, but also demand control ventilation with CO2 sensing, and also variable frequency drives for exhaust and relief fans. Think about those modules and portables with small package units on them, split systems, warehouse unit heaters, and even water source heat pumps. And not typically associated with thermostats, but why not use a smart thermostat to control a lighting relay to get time-based control over your lighting needs? All right, thanks for watching. For more information, contact your strategic energy management coach or Contact your HVAC service provider for more. Bye.